Welcome to this tutorial on managing your products catalog in the ERP module. In this video, we will walk through adding new products and setting up variants for different sizes and colors. To start, click the plus icon in the top right corner of the Products page to open the New Product form. Let us begin by adding a Premium Hoodie. Enter a unique SKU and a detailed description. Next, set the unit price and cost price. You can also specify the unit of measure, in this case, PCs, and add a barcode for tracking. Using tags like apparel, hoodie, and winter will help you organize and filter your catalog later. Once everything is filled out, click Save. You will see a Products Created confirmation at the bottom. Now, let us add variants to this hoodie. Click on Premium Hoodie from the list to edit it. Scroll down to the Variants section and click Add Variant Row. Here, you can define specific versions of the product. For example, let us create a size XL gray variant. You can give this variant its own unique SKU and also set a different price and cost if needed. To properly categorize the variants, use the Add Attribute button. Add size with the value of XL and color with the value of gray. Click Save on the variant row, then click Save again at the bottom of the main product form to apply the changes. Let us repeat this process for another item. We will add running sneakers with the SKU Sneakers Run. Fill in the description, unit price, and cost price. For sneakers, set the unit of measure to pair. Add a unique barcode and relevant tags like footwear and running, then save the product. Just like before, we can add variants for these sneakers. Open the Running Sneakers entry and go to the Variants section. Click on Add Variant Row to create a Size 43 White option. Set its specific price and cost and add the size and color attributes. Saving these details ensures your inventory stays accurate for every specific product type you offer. By following these steps, you can build a complete and well-organized products catalog tailored to your business needs. Thanks for watching. More tutorials are coming soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.